Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add your birthday on your app, on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click here on more down here, you just click on it. So when you click on more, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on log it in with Google here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on birthday here, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here you select your birthday here or add your birthday, then you click on done, then it's going to add with you. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.